Welcome back MH Car Review, the channel where we bring you the most jaw-dropping, boundary-pushing vehicles on the planet. Today, we are diving deep into something that is honestly unlike anything we have ever covered before. This is not just a car. This is not just an RV. What you are looking at right now is the 2026 ultra-luxury mega motorcoach, a vehicle so extraordinary, so impossibly lavish, that calling it a car almost feels like an insult. Strap in, because this is going to be one unforgettable review. Let us start from the outside, because your eyes are already telling you something special is going on here. The 2026 model arrives in a signature pearl white finish paired with hand-applied 24-karat gold trim that runs across every body line, arch, and panel gap. The front of this coach is dominated by a sweeping curved panoramic glass dome, a double-arched windshield structure that stretches nearly the full width of the vehicle and towers well above head height. It is a design statement that blends futuristic architecture with the grandeur of a five-star hotel entrance. Gold-framed arch moldings wrap the glass, and below that, a set of precision LED daytime running lights slice cleanly across the front fascia, giving this machine a presence that stops traffic literally. The side profile reveals a two-deck design with floor-to-ceiling windows running the entire length of the coach, and on the right side, a slide-out room extension pushes the living space even further beyond the already considerable footprint. The rear carries the same elegance: wide panoramic glass, gold-trimmed taillights, and polished chrome finishing details that make this machine look just as incredible from behind as it does head-on. And those wheels, massive 24-inch gold multi-spoke alloy rims with matching gold lug nuts and polished chrome brake calipers, are the finishing touch on an exterior that is simply without equal in the mobile luxury space. Now step inside, because the interior of this coach is where the 2026 model truly earns its place in history. The grand entrance staircase features a gold handrail and illuminated LED steps that welcome you into a living room that would embarrass most luxury apartments. White tufted leather sofas with 24-karat gold trim legs line the main lounge, set against white marble effect flooring that stretches the full length of the lower deck. A crystal chandelier hangs overhead, catching the warm ambient light that fills every corner of this space. The curtains are ivory white, the accent tables are gold, and fresh orchids sit in crystal vases. Every detail speaks to a level of interior design that goes far beyond what any production motorcoach has ever attempted. Move upstairs and you find yourself in the Sky Lounge, an upper deck sitting area positioned directly beneath the curved panoramic front glass dome. White velvet armchairs, a plush carpet, mirrored ceiling panels, and crystal pendant lighting create a space that feels more like a private club than a vehicle interior. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with an ivory upholstered headboard framed in gold, Egyptian cotton bedding, built-in white lacquer wardrobes, and a frosted glass partition leading into the ensuite. The ensuite bathroom is a full luxury experience on its own: a freestanding oval bathtub with gold claw feet, a frameless glass rain shower, a double vanity in Calacatta marble, gold fixtures throughout, and a heated towel rail. The kitchen follows the same commitment to excellence, with white gloss cabinetry, thick marble countertops, integrated stainless appliances with gold trim, and crystal glassware in a built-in wine rack. Every single room in this coach is finished to the standard of a luxury penthouse suite, and the attention to detail is extraordinary. Behind the driver's seat, which is wrapped in white leather with gold stitching, you will find a cockpit that blends the precision of a high-end luxury car with the scale of a commercial vehicle. The dashboard is finished in wood and gold paneling with a digital instrument cluster, a large central touchscreen infotainment system, and a gold-trimmed steering wheel with an embossed emblem at its center. Ambient footwell lighting, gold air vents with fine mesh grills, and a crystal gear selector round out a driving environment that is as premium as everything behind it. In terms of performance, the 2026 Mega Motorcoach rides on a heavy-duty commercial chassis with a twin-turbo diesel powertrain producing approximately 600 horsepower and over 1,800 pound-feet of torque. Air suspension across all axles delivers a remarkably smooth and controlled ride regardless of road conditions, and the dual rear tandem axle setup, 4 gold-rimmed wheels wide, provides the stability and load capacity needed to support all of this luxury at speed. Top speed is electronically limited for safety, but highway cruising is reported to be extraordinarily quiet and composed thanks to extensive sound deadening throughout the body structure. Advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera array round out the technology package. So what does all of this cost? As you might expect, the 2026 ultra-luxury Mega Motorcoach does not come with a modest price tag. Base pricing for this coach starts at approximately $3.5 million, with fully custom specified builds choosing your marble finishes, gold plate engraved, bespoke furniture, and extended tech packages pushing the final price well beyond $5 million in some cases. That number places this firmly in the category of private jets and superyachts rather than anything on a traditional automotive price list, and honestly, standing in front of it, that comparison feels completely appropriate. This is not a vehicle you purchase because you need to get somewhere. This is a vehicle you commission because you want the world to know that for you, there is no ceiling. Incredible does not even begin to cover it. The 2026 ultra-luxury Mega Motorcoach is a rolling statement that redefines what a vehicle can be: a private residence, a sky lounge, a master suite, a gourmet kitchen, all moving at highway speed on 4 gold wheels. Whether you think this is the pinnacle of automotive ambition or the most gloriously excessive machine ever built, one thing is absolutely certain: you will never forget the first time you see it. That is all for today here at MH Car Review. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and make sure you are subscribed so you never miss a review. Until next time, stay driven.